Hey guys, welcome to another video. For today's video we are going to be doing something a little bit different. Well, not really different, we've done this before. Today we are going to be unboxing. I've got some magic white gloves. Just for the fun of it, we're going to be unboxing this Asus TUF Gaming 1650. And then throwing it into a gaming PC, and we're going to see how it performs in 2023. So what we've got here, I think the white gloves are a little bit of a waste. Asus TUF. This is the GDDR6 version, which is, if you're looking to pick up one of these things, then that's probably the best to look at. We're going to be testing this in 1080p, 1440p, and even 4K, and see if we can actually do some 4K gaming with it. And it's going to surprise you. For the GPU, pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Nice looking card compared to some of the others. You can pick these up new for about 4,000 to 5,000 Rand. Second hand, you can pick them up for about 2,000 Rand. Now, I think the biggest question is, with the whole debate going on at the moment about is 8 gigs VRAM enough nowadays for the video memory. Is it worth picking up one of these? And according to the Steam hardware, this has become the new GTX1650. It would be nice if it was a little bit stronger. In comparison, you could probably look at the only reason why you'd pick something like this over a 1060 1066 gig is basically because it's a newer card. 1066 gig has seen its years. Now the question is it worth getting something like this in today's times? So, with further ado, let's open it up and have a look. I managed to pick this up for in a build, one of the ones that I tend to put together. And again, this is the TUF Gaming card. So in the box, I mean it's fairly simple. I was lucky enough to get it with the box, so that's always nice. There we go. Let's have a look at the card. In terms of specs, GTX 1060's got 6 gigs RAM versus 4 gigs on the 1650. In terms of shader units, 1060's got 1,280 shader units versus this card, which has got 896. Wow, yeah, this is quite a big 192-bit bus versus 120. So that's the card there. Pretty nice looking card. Quite simple display port, HDMI, and then DVI. It does come with a cover on the PCIe. 2 fans, they look like 90mm fans. Plastic shroud. For the heatsink, a pretty basic aluminium heatsink. Also with heat pipes, which is quite interesting. Usually cards on the lower end type style don't come with the heat pipes, and it looks like it's got one heat pipe stretching across from the front and then running through here and running all the way to the back. So to spread the heat. Fans, 92mm fans, plastic shroud, which is normal, and then plastic back cover. I mean, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty basic card. In terms of power requirements for this card, you're looking at a 6-pin PCIe power, and that's pretty much it. I mean, there's not much else to the card. Very nice looking card. Should be quite interesting. For pairing, we'll be pairing this in a fairly basic system, A520 TUF motherboard, along with a Ryzen 5 3600, 16 gigs RAM, and yeah, so let's build this into a system and see how it performs.